Hi, this is Richard Price from A1 CRM, and this is a demo of our SMS implementation into Zoho CRM. Unlike most other implementations in the Zoho marketplace, this one is fully embedded into the CRM system. So everything from doing your top-ups for paying for SMS through to seeing replies, seeing what was sent, being able to do bulk sends as well as sending to individual persons, doing workflows, and also managing templates can all be done from within Zoho CRM. So if we take a look at what comes with the basic implementation, there's two ways that you can send SMS text messages. So the first one is simply going into a contact view, and it's only applied to the contacts module as standard, but it can equally be added to leads as well. So I'm going to select that, come up here, you'll see that there is now a button, send SMS, click on that, and what will happen is that you'll get this window appear. What you will also see is your balance in your account. Okay, this is very useful if, say, you're going to send out 100 SMSs. You can check that you've got enough account balance and so forth, and then you can send them. Or more importantly, if you don't have any balance, this will be red, and you can then go in and top up your account and then send the message. Now, what will happen is if you are sending out, say, 100 text messages in the one go, and you've only got enough credit for, say, 50 of them, we will still send all of them, but then you won't be able to send any more text messages after that until you top up. Yeah, as long as this is green, you can send, is the long and the short of it. So what you've got here is templates. Okay, so you have to have a template. It's just basically a message, so think about it that way. So you can select a ready created template, so you can create your own templates, or you can create a template. So I'm just going to create a template, so test demo. And what you can do is you can put, say, hi, there is a new product available on our website. Go to http like this .co.nz. So as you can see here, there's a couple of things. Number one, you can put in URLs, and in most modern smartphones now, within the text message, you'll be able to click on this. So you've got that there. Now, if you want to personalize it, you can do. There is a few tricks to it. But if we go, say, we want to pull from the contacts module, say, the first name. Okay, so underscore first name. So square brackets, the module, dot, and then the field name, and underscore in between those two. So you click on that. It says that it's done. Just refresh this list, and you'll see there that's the one. So if you click on this, it will send that text message. So just give it a couple of seconds. Text message. Okay, so you heard in the background there my mobile phone receiving a text message. So let's have a look. So if we have a look at the contact, you will be able to then go down on the left hand side. There will be some a related list called SMS text messages. So you'll be able to see that there. So that was the one that was sent. You can see that it's added the first name of the contact, and it's got this here. So you can have a look at that. If you want to have a look at it, a bulk send, so all the ones that you've sent, you can go to the SMS messages module, and you'll be able to see all the text messages that have been sent and received. Okay, so what we can do is we can add in here the message type, which is sent, received, etc. So if I was to then just reply to this, thanks. Okay. What's going to happen is that it takes a few seconds to operate, as you can appreciate. It's got to go through the system. Now you can hear in the background my phone saying that I've received an email. So if I go to my emails, what actually happens is that I get an email whenever the text message is sent from me, and then when I get a reply, I get an email, because of course it's not going to your phone, so we need some way for you to automatically get notified of the reply. So if I go into here now and I refresh the screen, what you'll see is now there's a reply, thanks. Okay. Now I can then go back into that contacts account, and I can then see that that thread in here. So I can see that was the text message that I sent, and this is the reply. Okay. Now you can also do it one at a time. So if you're in a contact like I am here, there's also a button that is send SMS, and exactly the same thing. So it works in exactly the same way. So if I go and select this one, I can click onto here, and it goes and it sends text message. And you can hear that that text message has now come in, and if we, and you can hear the email notifying me that it was successful. Sometimes, of course, one comes before the other, but yeah, so you can see here now SMS number 22, that was the one that was sent. So those are the that's how you can send it out in two different ways, bulk and individually. Now if you want to pre-make some templates, then you can go to templates. So they're all available here in the system. So you know, any user with permission to this module can create these, and you can simply just go create SMS template, put some kind of number, Richard's text notification. Okay, and then you can put whatever you want in there. Okay, now please remember that the way in which these SMS works is that each text is considered to be 160 characters. Now our system does allow you to go over those characters, so you can have say 2, 3, text messages go at once. The only difference is that you will be charged for those 3. So if you have a lot of text, so a very long message, then just bear that in mind, because when you send it, you'll be charged. So if it's, say, 500 characters long, you'll be charged for 4 text messages. Although when it arrives at the recipient's phone, it will look just like 1 text message. So that's just one thing to bear in mind. So then you can go save, and you can go from there. So you can have a look at all the others. You can see there that it is a hyperlink. You can see the tags in there. So if you've got any further questions, just drop us a line. Easiest is support@a1crm.co.nz. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.